Welcome to my channel, Becca Beach. Today I have a much requested video actually. A couple weeks ago I posted on my Instagram about my laundry room and I got a lot of comments surprisingly from you guys saying that you wanted to see how I organize my laundry room because I do it very differently and I am not a laundry person, but I have decided my drawers are haunted. They just popped open. It wasn't haunted. It was Ellie. So anyways, now that I have haunted laundry room, I don't do laundry in any type of a conventional way. I just want to get it done and I've never been good at it. And I always have wanted to be good at it, but just not had any desire to. So I have finally figured out what my dream laundry room would look like, and I've turned my laundry room into that. Mostly the things I hate the most about laundry are folding it and hauling it around the house to put it back in drawers. Especially when the kids are just gonna mess it up again and let it be unfolded and a disaster. So I have two rules when it comes to laundry. I don't wanna haul it around the house and I don't want to fold it. So, in my room, I hang it on hangers. Here's my hanger stash. And in the kids' rooms, I don't put their laundry. I keep their drawers in here. All of their dressers are in here. Okay, this was Ellie's room, but I decided to switch everything up because Ellie needed to be in the same room with Charlie and Corbin needed to be in the same room with James, so I thought they can just have the other two rooms and I'll have my laundry room the way that I want it. So let's get to it. I will tell you exactly how I do my laundry and I'm not very technical about it. So here's my washer and dryer. I just wash it. Now here's one thing that I was very particular about. I wanted the very biggest capacity washer and dryer that I could possibly find and I found it. These two are so huge. It is literally 2 loads for 1 load in this washer and dryer, because in my other washer and dryer, yeah, I would have to wash it 2 times in order to get as much laundry clean as this one does in 1 load. This is the brand. Maybe I can get a link in the description of the on Amazon so you can see exactly what kind it is. It's LG, I think 9 cubic feet in the dryer. Anyways, it's really big. Like, I can barely reach the bottom, and this is how big my hand is, and it's basically probably not as big, but close to like industrial ones at a laundromat, which I love. And then on this one's the one that has, I'm not even sure what it is. Then you're interested. So anyways, I get double the amount of laundry done in these washer and dryers. Once I'm done with them, I stick them on the counter. That's all clean laundry, and that's 1 load. 1 load. It's insane. It covered the whole counter. From there, I take my laundry and I start sorting it into places that it goes. So here's Charlie's shirts. And this is where the baskets come in. I stick their clean laundry on top of their dressers into their baskets. These baskets don't come off of the dressers because I don't want them being used for anything else, and anything that's in them is clean, so it doesn't get confused with any of the dirty clothes. So then once I've sorted all the laundry, and the kids help me with sorting sometimes too, but once I've sorted all the laundry, then they come in and I say, hey, you gotta put your basket away. And then they come in and they take their basket down and they start putting them into the right drawers. And I used to have an even better laundry system. I'm working on it for their drawers, but I wanted all their dressers to match, and I was able to do that after some saving up. And then what I really ultimately want to have is little stickers on the front of their drawers that say underwear and PJs, shirts, shorts, pants, and Sunday clothes or whatever. So that, and I have had that in other houses and it works like a charm. and any of the kids can put their clothes away. That's what I love about it the most. And they don't have to ask me any questions. Where does this go? Where does this go? They just put it in. And I'm not gonna fold them. I just won't fold their clothes. If they look homeless, I get rid of that pair of clothes and I find one that doesn't wrinkle so bad. So anyways, whew, that is how I do it. And right now the laundry room is a disaster, but it's very quick to clean up because there's a place and a home for everything. And even if I don't get it all put away, I want that to be their responsibility. So it's really nice that I can at least have a clean counter and all of the laundry washed and clean, so that if I come to an emergency, at least it's clean, even if it's not put away yet. So that's what I care about the most. And then I also have this. This is from actually the previous owner of this house. He put this in, but it's really cool. It, well, he left all those things, or they left all those things, but I have my steamer here. But what's cool about this is you can turn it on with this, and it's a timer. And then if you shut it, it has this safety power shut off. So everything turns off if you forget to turn it off, and it's not gonna like have, I don't know, fire or something. So it's cool. And this goes up above it like that, and then I can shut it. It's just a mirror and it looks pretty in here, so I leave it in here and it's nice. Oh, and there's one other thing. I just leave the kids' laundry baskets for dirty laundry in here. And as you can see, they've been taking off their clothes and throwing them straight onto the floor. So we have a lot of work to do still with teaching them where to put them and how to keep this room clean. But they also change in here a lot and then just forget to put it in the hamper. So anyways, this is what it looks like right now. And I currently have a basket of whites, and then I have 2 colors, which is typically what I need in here. So 2 baskets of colored and 1 basket of whites, and then all of the clean laundry here, and then each individually sorted into their baskets. And then I don't have to walk around the house to put everything away because they're all in their own dressers in one room where I do all of the laundry, and I don't have to run all over the house like a crazy woman and never actually get it put there, because that's how it used to be for me. And then one other thing with socks, I don't even want them to have them in their own rooms or in their own dressers. I just have decided that in the bottom of this closet here, when I'm doing laundry, I'm just gonna open up this closet, and I have random things like bandanas and baby bibs. But in here I have white socks and colored socks, and then in here I have black socks only. So when I do laundry, I open up these closet doors, and I just am constantly tossing the socks in there as I'm sorting all these other laundry items. And then when I'm done, all I have to do is shut these doors, and it makes it really easy to keep clean, looking nice with the doors shut, at least once I get the kids to pick up the clothes on the floor. And it's also really easy for the kids to find their own socks, because I don't like doing that either. And occasionally when we do a sock party, which is what I call it, where we just dump out all the socks, it's much easier to find them if they're sorted into blacks and whites and colors. So anyways, it's imperfect, but it's exactly what I want, and so I'm okay with it, even though this room's not clean right now. But I'm gonna do a speed clean. Right now, take this and go put it in the baby's closet.
In the baby's closet?
Yes.
Here. It's on Becca's beach. Do you know that? Okay, you already know that. Oh, I heard you on the first time. It is on Becca's beach.
Try to pick up that sock.
Hi, guys.
Over there.
Charlie's my girl.
Hey.
She's just acting.
Mom,
I can catch this.
Good.
Catch one.
I'm gonna give you the ones that I have.
You guys are so great.
Hey, Ellie.
You guys are so great.
Ellie.
You guys are so great.
Go put it in Max's dresser. That look better, much better. These are all video things over here for the beach house coming soon. And then my counter's all cleaned and it was super easy to just sort it really quick. And I got in another batch because all my dirty clothes are right here, ready to be thrown in at any point. And I don't have to go all around the house to gather them up. Sometimes I do because the kids just will occasionally put them in other places, but it makes it much easier for the most part. And all of their clothes are sorted into their baskets on top of their dressers. And now it's their responsibility to put them away. And if worse comes to worse, I know where their clean clothes are. So anyways, that's my laundry room. There's a few more things. I have towels right here and other like tablecloths and curtains. And then I have some blankets in this cupboard. And in this cupboard I have fitted sheets that I just shove. And some more curtains and some more blankets. And I think that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed my laundry room tour and how I decide to do it. Ultimately, as they get older, I'm gonna teach them how to put their clothes on hangers and how to fold their own laundry. They do know how to fold their own laundry, but it's not a necessity, which I think is a good thing because I'm not constantly fighting them to do it. But it's time for me to go take care of my baby. So I am done with the laundry room and it feels nice. It's beautiful, yeah, yeah. Look at the laundry room and do not peek into their room across the hall because it's really, really dirty, yeah, yeah. All right, we will see you guys next time. Bye.